Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly one of the best videos for anyone who is actively applying for software jobs because all three opportunities in this video are completely different and depending on your skills, one of them can be a perfect fit. The first company is Volvo Group where freshers are getting opportunity to work on AI, data analytics. The second company is offering a remote Java developer role with a package of up to 7.2 LPA and the third company is CGI, one of the biggest global IT companies, hiring backend engineers for freshers and experienced engineers. So don't skip this video because I will explain everything you need to know before applying. Let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is Volvo Group and they are hiring for the role of Graduate Apprentice Training. Now, whenever people hear Volvo, they immediately think about trucks or luxury vehicles, but the company has become much more than that. Volvo Group is one of the world's largest technology driven transport companies, and today they are investing heavily in AI, automation, analytics, and digital transformation. The opportunity is based in Bangalore and it is an in office apprenticeship specifically designed for fresh graduates. So, if you have recently completed your degree and want to start your career with a globally recognized company, then this is definitely worth considering. Now, let's understand what you will actually do in this role. This is not a traditional software development position where you will spend the entire day writing backend code. Instead, you will work with business teams and IT teams to solve real business problems using data. Your responsibilities include analyzing structured and unstructured data sets, creating dashboards, developing automation solutions, generating reports, supporting business intelligence initiatives, validating IT systems, and helping teams make better decisions throughout analytics. The company also mentioned AI and ML concepts, which means you will get exposure to modern enterprise technology instead of only reporting tools. Coming to the required skills, SQL is one of the biggest requirements. Along with SQL, they expect Python, Power BI, Power Automate, Qlik, data analytics, data visualization, ML basics, communication skills, and critical thinking. If you have already worked on dashboard projects, analytics projects, or participated in hackathons related to data science, your profile becomes even stronger. Now let's talk about eligibility. The company is looking for candidates with bachelor's degree in CS, IT, data science, industrial engineering, or another related technical field. Now, one thing I really liked about this opportunity is that you will work on enterprise projects while learning AI, automation, reporting in a global engineering environment. So, if you are interested in data analytics, business intelligence, Python, SQL, or AI, then Volvo should definitely be on your application list. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Wikasta Business and Technical Solutions, and they are hiring Java developer executives. Now this opportunity is specifically attractive because it's completely remote. Yes, you can work remotely from anywhere in India. It's a full-time role, and the salary ranges from approximately 4.5 LPA to 7.2 LPA, which is a solid package for early career backend developers. Now let's understand the actual work. Your primary responsibility will be backend development using Java and Spring Boot. You will build scalable backend applications, develop REST APIs, integrate different services, optimize relational databases, implement authentication and security mechanisms, improve backend performance, and collaborate with front-end developers, product teams, and AI engineers. So this is a proper backend role rather than a support or maintenance position. The company expects Java, Spring Boot, REST APIs, microservices, MVC architecture, MySQL, PostgreSQL, relational databases, backend development fundamentals, and problem solving skills. If you have already built Java projects using Spring Boot or developed APIs during your college projects, you will definitely have an advantage. The company also mentioned authentication, backend design patterns, security, and performance optimization as an additional skills that can strengthen your application. For education, they are looking for candidates with bachelor's degree in CS, IT, engineering, or any another related field. Another benefit is flexible working hours along with complete remote work, which makes this opportunity ideal for candidates who prefer remote work. So, if your goal is becoming a Java backend developer or Spring Boot engineer, this opportunity deserves your serious attention. Now, let's move to the third and final opportunity, and this one is from CGI, and they are hiring backend developers. Now, CGI is one of the biggest IT consulting and digital engineering companies in the world. The company works with enterprise clients across multiple industries and build scalable software systems and cloud applications. This is a full-time in-office opportunity based in Bangalore, and candidates with 0 to 4 years of experience can apply. That means freshers as well as early career developers are eligible. Now let's understand what you will actually do in this role. This role is specifically for modern backend engineering. You will develop scalable applications using .NET Core and C Sharp, build microservices, create REST APIs, work with event-driven architectures, manage databases like Neo4j and MongoDB, deploy applications using container technology, troubleshoot production issues, review code, optimize performance, and collaborate with agile development teams. So, this role provides exposure to enterprise backend development and cloud native software engineering. Coming to the required skills, the company is looking for knowledge of .NET Core, ASP.NET Core, C Sharp, Microservices, Apache Kafka, MongoDB, Git, CI/CD, React.js, and strong problem-solving abilities. If you already know Docker, Kubernetes, Azure, RabbitMQ, Azure DevOps, or distributed systems, those become additional advantage, although they are not mandatory. For education, CGI expects candidates with a bachelor's or postgraduate degree in CS, IT, engineering, or another related technical discipline. One thing I really like about CGI is that you will work on enterprise cloud native applications used by global organizations while collaborating with experienced engineering teams. That kind of exposure can significantly strengthen your resume during the first few years of your career. Now, if you compare all the opportunities, if you're interested in data analytics, Python, dashboards, and automation, then the Volvo Group is probably the strongest option for you. And if you're passionate about Java backend development and you want a remote opportunity, then go for the second one. And if you're aiming for backend engineering, cloud native development, then CGI is an excellent opportunity. The important thing is that not to apply randomly. Choose the internship that matches the career you are trying to build because relevant experience always have more value than simply collecting certifications. And remember something, your first internship does not have to be perfect, it just has to teach you something very valuable. Every project you build, every bug you solve, every technology you learn becomes another point you can confidently discuss during the future interviews. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the application link are in the description box. If this video helped you discover even one opportunity that matches your career goals, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.